want to go over a possible trading opportunity that I myself and members of the FMT family are going to be taking in the near future. Now, before I do that, let me give this little disclaimer. What I'm going to share in this video is just for educational purposes. Don't take a trade based on solely what you see in this video. Always do your own due diligence. All right, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started. So you can see that we have here the Australian dollar versus the Japanese yen. I'm going to show you how you find good trades, how you can get them at the start of the trend or as close as possible. So if you look here, you can see that the pair has been very bullish. But you notice here, it's starting to make higher lows, right? Because this high is lower than that high. And this low is lower than that one. And also you notice that this high rather, is lower than that one. And this low is about the same or lower that we say the same. But this is how you find the good sniper entries. If this is your first time watching our channel, 5-minute trades, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe for awesome trading content. This is the first video that we're doing like this on our YouTube channel. Normally I always talk about the trades after the fact, but this time I want to give you an idea of what I'm looking at in the near future, possibly even as early as tonight. So we have here the pair, this is Australian dollar versus Japanese yen, broke through the trend line here. And you notice, speaking of line, we use the line charts pretty heavily at FMT. It helps me find really good entries. So, you may be familiar with this, candlesticks, which I switch back and forth, but I normally 90% of the time have my chart set on a line chart. Okay, so in order to get a good trade here, you have to realize what's going on. It's all about market structure. You watch all my videos, that's all I talk about is market structure. All you need to find good trades is price action, market structure, and in my opinion, line chart. So let's get some tools out here. If you notice, the price made this high here. It didn't come back to it. It didn't try to retest it, or it didn't definitely didn't break it. And then you see we have this high here. And we have pretty much the same situation. You kind of think of these kind of steps. The price is stepping down. So the market structure is changing from bullish, higher highs, higher lows, to bearish, lower highs and lower lows. So how can we get in on this trade at a sweet spot? And what spot I'm thinking about getting in on? Well, what I want to see is a pullback and retest to either this area here, this resistance, right there, or even better to the trend line itself. So ideally want to see something like this. And then price goes down. But of course, price doesn't go straight down like that unless there's some type of real strong economic news. But you get the general idea. So that is what I am waiting on. And speaking of waiting, nobody wants to sit in front of the computer all day or a phone. You may see this little dash line right here. Have this price alert. This isn't an entry order, it's an alert to let me know when price to get to that level so that I can go ahead and follow everything and to get in the trade the right way. So what I want to do is wait for the pullback, wait for a retest this area, and then possibly get in on the trade. Ideally with maybe like my stop loss, above the most recent high. So say for example, if trade got in right here, this level here, and it started going down, my stop loss will be above this peak right here. Of course, if more conservative, you can have it above this or even more above this. But I think that's kind of too far out in my humble opinion. I try to when I trade, I try to get 20% a week or or at least a month. So right now I'm up 26% since January 4th. I'm up about 11% for the week. And I do that by finding good entries and having, tight stop losses for a certain degree. I try to go at least 4-to-1 reward to risk ratio. Sometimes I go 1-to-10. It depends. If I see a really good spot, 10 pip stop loss, 100 pip target, 10-to-1. I like those trades. And we find them here at FMT. And you can too by becoming a member. Speaking of that, let me show you this. This is our Discord group. This is members, only members get access to this. You see we got signals, we got discussions, webinar, resources. We have people that like talk about stocks, options, and crypto. They talk there. I do all Forex and Forex only for the most part. But if you want to become a member, all you gotta do is go to our website, 5minutetrades.com. The goal of 5minutetrades.com, or FMT for short, is to help you learn how to be a profitable Forex trader. This is me, alongside my beautiful wife. Love teaching. I've been trading in the market for 6 years. I helped a lot of people all over the world. 5minutetrades.com was created to help traders of all levels. So you can be brand spanking new, don't know anything. You can learn a lot by joining the FMT community. What you get is you get live one-on-one trading instruction, access to our aforementioned Discord group, buy and sell signals. You get access to our webinars. You learn how to trade the right way. And what I mean by the right way is proper money management, proper entry, proper exit, proper goals. You learn how to trade the right way. You know this on a chart. I didn't have any indicators. I don't use any indicators. All I need to find good entries are price action, market structure, and the line chart. And also what you get is phone, text, and email support. So speaking of email, if you want to contact me, you have any questions, click on the contact us today here on site, 5minutetrades.com. Or, as I like to say, there's no time like the present. You want to get started, you seriously want to learn how to make money in the market, then go ahead and take the leap of faith. Click on become a member, and we can go ahead and get started. Once again, my name is Lonnie Williams. I'm with 5minutetrades.com. Thank you for taking this short time to watch this video. Hope you have a blessed and awesome day. Take care. God bless.